Is your old PC struggling to run Windows 11? What if I told you there's a way to make Windows 11 lightweight, fast, and run smoothly even on unsupported hardware? In today's video, I'll show you how to create a lightweight Windows 11 ISO using a simple tool called Tiny 11. This version removes bloat, speeds up performance, and works great on older machines. Let's get right into it. Tiny 11 is a custom script that helps you strip down Windows 11 to just the essentials. It's based on official Microsoft images, and it doesn't activate Windows or bypass licensing. It just removes the unnecessary stuff. This means you still need a valid Windows key to activate your system, but you'll get a faster, lighter OS without the bloatware. To get started, you will need a Windows 11 ISO image. You can download it from the official Microsoft download page. After download is complete, mount the image by clicking on it and selecting Mount. Take note of the drive letter as you will need it later. Mine says Drive F. Head over to the Tiny 11 GitHub page, and I'll leave the link in the description below. Download the zip file for the Tiny 11 builder script. And after the download is complete, extract the zip, and you should see two scripts. Like I said, you will find two scripts. Run the Tiny 11 Maker script to create a lightweight Windows 11 image. You'll also notice a script called Tiny 11 Core Maker in the folder. This one builds an ultra-minimal version of Windows 11 by removing many core components. If you're planning to use the modified Windows on your main PC for everyday tasks, it's best to stick with Tiny 11 Maker. It preserves essential features like Windows Update, Windows Recovery, and Windows Security. Next, right-click on the Windows icon and open PowerShell as admin. Run the following command to allow PowerShell scripts. You can now run the script you want. Right-click on it, and the process will start. Specify the drive letter with the previously downloaded image and press Enter. Select the necessary additions such as Home Edition or the Professional one and press Enter. You might see some errors, just ignore them. The ISO is now ready. Just press Enter to exit. You'll find the new ISO file inside the Tiny 11 folder. You now have a ready-for-use ISO file. that you can write to any USB drive using apps like Rufus or Balena Etcher. Let me try installing the ISO on VirtualBox. I'm installing the image on VirtualBox just to demonstrate that it works and that the bloat has been successfully removed. The tool modifies the Windows 11 image by stripping away unnecessary components and bypassing official hardware checks. This results in a much cleaner, lighter installation, making it possible to run Windows 11 on older PCs that lack TPM 2.0 secure boot or a supported processor. As you can see, the bloat is gone, and that's it. You can now install new Windows 11 on an unsupported PC using Tiny 11. It's faster, lighter, and perfect for older hardware. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.